Hi friends, I'm Super Scratcher and this is my first ever YouTube video. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos, but this is the first one I've ever made. This is the reason I'm a bit nervous and stammering, but please don't mind it. If you like this video, please hit the like button below, and if you think this video could have been made better, please leave a comment as your suggestion. So I'm gonna start making videos on a software named Scratch. There are 2 to 3 versions of Scratch, but I've chosen Scratch 1.4. Scratch 1.4 as I think it's the best. So the Scratch program is a block coding software in which you code characters known as sprites in this through block coding. It's easy for kids, and small kids can also make this, and it's also for adult use. So in this video I'm going to teach you some block codings. There are categories of it, but in this video I'm going to teach you only the starting four, that is motion, control, looks and sensing. So I hope you'll like it, and let's start the video. We'll start with control category of the coding. When flag click, when any key pressed, you can choose any key you want, any key, or when sprite one click. Sprite one is this cat. So if you want to rename it, like I'll put the name cat. It will change as when cat clicked. This is cat. So when cat click, these three are the starting blocks. There is one more starting block, that is when I receive, but I'll talk about it later. So when flag clicked, this is the flag. Please put your eyes on the mouse cursor. This is the flag, and this is the red button through which you can stop everything which is moving or doing a work in Scratch. You can add more characters from anywhere or from your desktop also, but that's too easy and you'll get to know it. I'll keep telling you about all this in the video. So when flag clicked, I want to do that when the flag is clicked, the cat will move 10 steps ahead. So when flag clicked, move 10 steps. When the flag is clicked, see, it's moving 10 steps. I click the flag. I can change the number of steps it will move. Let's make it 100. So it will move 100 steps now. Now if you want this cat to move the left side, I'll teach you that in this video only, but in the motion category. So let's continue with when a key pressed. It's also the same. When a key pressed, move 100 steps. I'm clicking the A key and it's moving 100 steps. When cat clicked is also the same, but when I click this cat, it will do the thing. When cat clicked, see. So these are the three starting blocks. There's one more I'll teach about later. So let's now continue. Wait 1 second. You must have understood it at first sight that when flag click, wait 1 second and then move 100 steps. So when the flag is clicked, the sprite will wait 1 second and then do the action. When flag clicked, it waits and then moves. It waits and then moves. So you get the point. Then we have forever and repeat. These both are a type of block coding in which you can put inside them some things you want to do. Forever, you must have understood that the thing you put, like when flag clicked, forever move 10 steps. So the sprite after clicking flag will keep moving 10 steps until the red button is clicked. So when flag clicked, see, I'm not doing anything, it's moving by its own. I pull it back, it will automatically move as I have not clicked the red button. So this is forever. And repeat 10, or you can choose any number. Repeat 10 is repeat, I must say, is also like forever, but it will do the thing 10 times. Like after clicking flag, cat will move 10 steps 10 times. So the flag is clicked 10 steps 10 times. It's going too fast, as you know, it's moving too fast. 10 steps 10 times. So these both are the repeat and forever. You can put anything inside them. Let's continue. Then we have broadcast, and wait, and when I receive. These three are also interconnected. Broadcast and wait is not necessary, as broadcast and wait's work can be done by broadcast alone. So I'll teach you broadcast and when I receive. I'll add one more sprite. Let's name it Banana Man. So I've added Banana Man. So like I want to do like when the cat says hi to Mr. Banana Man, he says shut up to the cat. So let's make them facing to each other. So I have to do like when flag clicked, say, I'll teach you about looks in this video, don't worry. Say hello. Let's keep it hello only. And then I want to do like, now he'll say shut up. Shut up. So for this, I need to do like the cat is saying its dialogue first and then the Banana Man is saying. So in the cat it will be when flag clicked hello, say hello. When flag clicked say hello for 2 seconds, or you can change the second timing. I'll teach you that afterwards. Broadcast, you can choose any broadcast, anything. But for now, let's take a decent broadcast name, hello. So it's like the cat is signaling to Banana Man hello, or just signaling. So the Banana Man when receives hello, he'll say shut up. So I'll demonstrate it. When the flag is clicked, cat says hello, broadcast is hello, and he says shut up. You see, I'll demonstrate it again. It says hello, broadcast is hello, and then when he receives the signal, he says shut up. You might have understood it, as it's not that much complicated. Let's move ahead. Forever if else, and wait until and repeat until. I'm sorry, but wait until and repeat until are not for beginners. They are too complicated, and you must be a decent, like you must be playing Scratch for more than 1 year to understand it, as they are not too easy. So I'll take the easy ones: if, forever if, and if else. Forever if is also not necessary. So forever if's job can be done by if else, like this. If forever if, sorry, like this. They are also the same meaning. So forever if not is not necessary. I'll teach you if and if else. So like I have to do, if the cat is touching Banana Man, then the cat will say ouch. So I'll do like this when flag clicked. If touching, I'll teach you sensing in this video. Banana Man, say ouch, or say hello. So when the flag is clicked, if the cat will touch Banana Man, it will say hello for 2 seconds. Now see. Oh, and yeah, you should never forget to add a forever in this. If there is no forever in if, nothing will happen. So forever if touching Banana Man, say hello for 2 seconds. In flag clicked. Now I'll move the cat to Banana Man. See, it's touching it, it's saying hello. I move it. Again touching, saying hello. Again touching, saying hello. So this is if, and if else is also like this. I'll do the same. If touching Banana Man, say hello for 2 seconds. Else means if it is touching Banana Man, then it will do this, and if it is not touching Banana Man, it will say let's say only. So when the flag is clicked, it will say as it's not touching Banana Man. But when it will touch Banana Man, it will say hello. But I not. Let's move it. It's saying now hello. So you get the point. It's too easy. Don't worry. Then we have stop script and stop all. Like you want to do like when flag clicked. Let's do move 10 steps and then stop script. So that when the flag is clicked, the cat will move 10 steps and stop this script, this particular script. But if instead of stop script we put stop all, then it will stop everything. Stop all. If this banana man is also moving, it will also stop moving. You see this red button? It's for stop everything. This red button is also present here. Sorry. So it's like that. If after moving 10 steps, it will stop everything that is moving or doing an action. So the control thing is done. If you have any doubt, you can ask it in the comments. Then let's go to motion. I think you have understood move 10 steps. Then there is turn 15 degrees right or turn 15 degrees left. It's for the can rotate option only. It will not happen in the face one, as the cat will only face left when this line is there. So in the rotate one, you can rotate it 15 degrees, like when flag click turn 15 degrees. So this is like move 10 steps only, but it will just rotate, and in move 10 steps it will move. Point in direction also you have understood. It will not be directly 15, it will directly change to a particular position, a particular good position. So this 90 is also done. Yeah, point in direction and rotating, it will do left as upside down, up as up, and down as this. But if you choose this option, only face left right, it will, if the left is clicked, it will face the left like the normal, and if right is, it will face the right. Sorry if I have already made you understood this, but I am doing it again. Sorry, but point towards is also like point in direction, but like I need to do when flag click, this cat should always point in the direction of where the mouse pointer is. So when flag click, point towards mouse pointer. So the flag forever also we have to put, or else it will point only once. Start. So the mouse pointer is on the right, it's facing the right. Left goes left, right. And if you do the rotating, you see this. It's rotating when I move the mouse. Football game. Yeah. And if you hold it still, it will not do anything. This button is for holding still. Don't rotate or nor move left, right, and rotating. So you get the point of point towards. You can also do some characters like point towards banana man. Now it will only point towards banana man. If I throw banana man there, it will point there. There. So done. Then we have go to X. Oh yeah, X, go to and glide to. This X line is left to right line of the stage. This is the stage. The background is known as the stage in Scratch stage. So the left to right is known as X. You can see this X position here. It's changing. The left side is minus X, minus 0. I mean that it's less than 0, and the right one is more than 0. So left to right, and Y line is up to down. The up one is more than 0, and the Y one and the down one, is less than 0, minus Y. So these both are the X line, and you can do it accordingly like I want to do. When the flag is clicked, the cat will go to X, go to this position. This position of cat is, you can see the position of cat here. See my mouse here. X 157, Y 99. So I'll put X 157 and Y 99. So when the flag is clicked, let's move it somewhere else. The cat will automatically go there from anywhere on the stage. If it's hiding a bit also, then also. You can also choose this X position and Y position not by typing, but like I want the cat to go there, then I'll double click it, go to motion, and the position is already there. It's also on the glide, and go to is a different thing. I'll teach you about this. So when selected, go to X minus 90, 190 and Y 121. It will automatically go there. Glide is also the same. Let's do it the same position now. But it will not directly go to like a ninja, but it will glide there like this. You can reduce or increase the time. If you increase the time, it will go slowly, more slowly, and if you decrease the time, it will go more faster. Oh, sorry. Yeah, faster. So this is glide, and then go to does not go to a particular position but to a sprite or mouse pointer. So first I'll show you mouse pointer. It's also like point towards. See, it has the same block. So when the flag is clicked, it will forever also. I again forgot. I'm so sorry. You have to put forever or it will not happen forever. So it's going to my mouse. See, I'm not clicking it. Now I clicked it, but now I'm not. It's automatically going here and there to the mouse. Let's stop it. Then if we put here banana man, then when the flag is clicked, it will go to the banana man. If I move the banana man, it will go here and there with the banana man. So let's continue. Then we have change x, y, set x to change y, set y to. There also all complicated things. X position, Y position, direction also all are also complicated things. They are mentioned visible here, but they are complicated. I'll teach you in the next video when you know a bit about Scratch and you could understand it, or it will go you will not understand it. So when now if on edge bound, so I need to do like, let's delete this banana man. So when the cat is moving and if it touches the edge, it will bounce. So this option is needed. I'll do when flag is clicked, the forever move 10 steps, if on edge, bounce. So it will be like this. And you can also make a ping pong game with this. If we do it, can rotate and then turn it by 15 degrees. See, it will bounce here and there. Again turn it. You see? So this is if on edge bounce. I think motion is complete now. Now we'll see. Let's go to the looks. Switch to costume, next costume and costume. I'll teach you this. Like this cat is having two costumes. One the standing cat and then the running cat. So I want to do when the cat is moving, it will be the running cat. So I'll do when flag clicked, move 10 steps, switch. Before that, switch to costume 2. And name the costume. I'll do it running cat. So switch to costume running cat. So see this? It automatically switched to the costume running cat. Costume is also used in say type of something. You can put it here, say costume, like say running cat. I'll show you this. Say costume hash. It's also a complicated thing. You'll not understand it right now. Next costume is like, this is the first costume. This is the second costume. And so if you want to, you can also put here next costume. Instead of switch to costume, you can put it next costume. So it will change to the next costume. But if there is a gap between these two, then you have to do switch to costume. Yeah, I think I'll make you understand costume in this video only, as it's not that much complicated, I think. So it's used in operators like if the costume is equal to these are the costume numbers 1, 2. So if the costume is equal to 2, I type here 2, then it will do a thing. It can be put in if costume is equal to 2, then change size by anything or move 10 steps. So I'll teach you about this more in the next video when I'll teach about operators. So this is the costume thing. Then we have say say for some seconds, say forever, think for some seconds, and think forever. I'll just show you about say, and it's similar to think. Like when flag click think, in the think a cloud box will come, but in say you know what box will come, the saying box. So if we put here the say for 2 seconds, it'll say hello for 2 seconds. But if we put this, it will keep saying hello until we stop everything or that particular script. And think goes the same. It will keep thinking until we stop everything or put here stop script. Then it will stop the script. No, it will not work with think and hello this. But don't worry, with the rest it will work. I'm sorry, I forgot about that. So the hello and thinking is done. Let's continue. Then we have change color effect by 25. This is also not so complicated, but a very good thing to remember. You have to remember the color effects. Like I want to do it 12. When the flag is clicked, it will change color effect by 12. 46. If you want to make a disco light, then only use this. If you want a particular color, you can do switch to color. There's an option here, set color effect to. Or you can just make another costume and do the color you want the costume to be. 79. When the flag is clicked, it will change to 79. And 0 is its normal color. Each costume is always on a 0 effect. Its normal color. So we'll just change color effect by set color effect is also to this, like when flag click set color effect to 25. So it will set color effect to 25. And if you have put forever change color effect by 25, then it will keep changing color effect by 25. See, it's like a disco light. You can make a disco light like this. Then it's done. Let's go to looks and continue. Clear graphic effects. If you have made a color effect of cat 50 and you want to remove it, then clear graphic effects. When flag click, or you can just click it, clear graphic. It will clear and go to the 0 graphic effect or color effect. Then change size by 10, set size to 100%. It's also like color. Change size by 10, it will grow, and change size by -10, it will shrink. See, and set size to 100. It's in the 100% only. If you want to decrease, you decrease the number 75%. Then it will shrink, and 100 is its normal size. If you want to grow, you grow the number more than 100. So these both are the size things. This size is also used as an costume, like in the operators. If size is equal to 50, then say whatever you want to make, it can be put in if or if else or whatever. Then we have show and hide, the two most necessary things in Scratch. So you want to do that when the flag is clicked, the cat will be shown on the screen, but Banana Man will be hiding. So you'll put when flag click show on cat, and on Banana Man you will put when flag clicked hide. So when the flag is clicked, Banana Man will hide and cat will be shown. And you can directly click from here if you're programming and you want to make Banana Man show. you click show, it will show. So this is hide and show. Then we have go to front. Go back one layer is also a complicated programming. I'll teach you about it later. Go to front, like this cat is now in front of banana man, and I want the banana man to go in front of cat. So I'll click go to front, it will go in front. Now I want the cat to go to front. So when the flag is clicked, then only. So when flag click, go to front. See, this is go to front. I think the looks is also complete, and now the sensing. All these sensing things are used in putting forever if else, wait until, repeat until, and all. They can be put in these. Say all the sensing things. So touching, I think I've understood, like if touching mouse pointer, then do this or say this, or if touching edge, then do this, say this. Then we have touching color, like cat is touching color. Let's make a red color ball. So if the cat is touching color red, it will say something like this. You can program, and I'll show you. When flag clicked, forever if touching color red, you can just click this and then take whatever color from the scratch thing. Like I want this color, it will take this. I want the red color, I took it. Say hello. So when flag clicked, now I'll make it touch it. I'll remove it. But still it will keep happening until I pick it up, as now the green flag will go. And as it is forever, if it touches the red ball once, it will say hello and then keep saying it until I pick it up. See, now I pick it up, it will stop. So this is touching color this. Let's delete this red ball. So next we have touching color. This is touching color, whatever the color we want. So if there's a blue ball, I'll paint a blue ball, or a blue square and a red square, or let's take a yellow square. So if the blue square is touching the yellow square, it will also do something we want it to do. I'll not demonstrate it, I think you would have understood it. Then we have ask and answer. Answer is a bit complicated, I'll teach you about it in the next video. Ask is when flag clicked, ask what's your name. So when the flag is clicked, it will ask, and we can answer whatever we want to. Then if the answer is correct, it will do something. You can program it with this answer and if block coding. So let's go. Mouse X, mouse Y, and mouse down are also complicated things. I'll teach about them in later videos. Key space pressed. They are also put in if. Like if key space pressed, move 10 steps. So whenever I click the key space, it will move 10 steps. So then we have the distance too. This is also complicated. I'm so sorry. There's a lot of complicated things in sensing. Reset timer and timer are not necessary at all. If you have learned them, it's good, but they are not necessary. You can make a timer through variables. I always make a timer of variables if I want, or you can make a stopwatch timer or whatever you want. But a timer of this kind is not needed. It's too tough. Variables are easy. I'll teach you in the next videos. Exposition of cat is also like that. Like now its exposition is minus 131. So it will be like the exposition or direction. This is the direction. Direction is 90, or costume, size, volume. Volume cannot be heard here, as it can only be sensed with there's a something a device named as Panther. So you can purchase it in online stores or your nearby tech stores, and you can get a Panther. It's named as Panther. You can program different things also through it. So the X position, Y position of cat is this, then do this. It is also put in if. In operators, it's put in operators. If X position of this of cat is equal to 2, then do this. So this is the X position of anything. Loudness and loud are also used only with Panther device. Slider, sensor value and sensor button pressed can only be sensed if you have a joystick or Panther. So I think we are done with today's video. I've taught you everything I could have about the first four categories of block coding in Scratch. And if you have any doubt, you can comment and ask me, and I promise I'll always reply to you. And if you have liked this video, please comment, and I'll make more videos, I promise. Thank you, and good day.